disturb somebody.
In this video, we will make an email bomber using Python. Go to the link given in description, open your Gmail and manage your Google account. Go to Security tab, then to Step Verification. Enter your Gmail password. Verify your account. Go to App Password. Type any name for it and hit Create. This is your app password which we will use. Copy and save it somewhere. Come to Replit by the link provided in description. Replace pass with the password copied. Then replace your Gmail at gmail.com with your own Gmail. And also the example at gmail.com. Type the Gmail of your target in place of target at gmail.com. Now finally run your code. Here you go, bombing start. You can type your message in message. Then run again. Done. You can enter the number of emails you want to send.